Uganda is in high gear for the oil extraction process to come starting 2018. Oil companies have already been given production licenses, but how far is the ground leveled?
We've already established a working committee that is preparing for the development of this pipeline so that by 2020 this pipeline is ready, and therefore when we start producing the crude, we shall be able to access the international market.
The government in 2014 unveiled plans to eventually build a new oil refinery that could produce as much as 60,000 barrels of oil per day. It is envisaged that the refinery will provide a lasting solution to Uganda's balance of payment deficit, as oftentimes petroleum products are imported.
When we start producing our crude, instead of exporting it and then importing refined products, why don't we add value, meet our need as a country, and also meet the need as an East African community partner states?
However, how the revenue accrues from the long-awaited oil will be diligently distributed and used for development with accountability is a question worth posing.
Minister of Finance from the petroleum is the custodian of the fund. When the revenues accrue, they are definitely deposited in that fund, and how they are utilized will now be based on the structuring of the stipulations into the Public Finance Management Act.
5 licenses were awarded to Africa-focused explorer Tullow Oil, and 3 were awarded to the Ugandan subsidiary of French energy company Total. This investment will be for the drilling of about 500 wells, construction of central processing facilities, and feeder pipelines, among others. Tullow and Total are expected to move quickly on production so that operations could start by the end of this decade. Nancy Okwong, WBS Business, Kampala.